Welcome back to UKey Academy, where crypto is made simple. In this lesson, we'll explain the difference between a crypto wallet and a crypto exchange. Wallet or exchange? Many beginners think a crypto wallet and a crypto exchange are the same thing, but they actually serve different purposes. Understanding this difference is important before you start trading or managing your crypto. What is an exchange? A crypto exchange is a platform where users can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It works like a marketplace where different users can exchange assets with each other. What can you do on an exchange? On an exchange, you can buy crypto with traditional money, trade one asset for another, and access different trading tools. This is why many beginners first enter crypto through an exchange. What is a wallet? A crypto wallet is different. A wallet helps you receive, send, store, and manage your digital assets. It also allows you to interact directly with blockchain networks and Web3 applications. With a wallet, you can hold your crypto, send and receive assets, swap tokens, and explore Web3. A wallet gives you more direct control over how your crypto is managed. The key difference. The simple difference is this. An exchange is mainly used for trading, while a wallet is used for managing and controlling your crypto assets. Who controls the assets? One of the biggest differences is custody. When your crypto is on an exchange, the platform usually holds custody of your assets. When your crypto is in your own wallet, you have more direct control over your assets. Why does this matter? Having control is powerful, but it also means you need to be careful. If you use your own wallet, you must protect your recovery phrase, private key, and transaction confirmations. When to use each? A simple way to understand it is this. Use an exchange when you want to buy or trade crypto. Use a wallet when you want to manage, store, send, receive, or interact with Web3 more directly. Manage with UKey Wallet. With UKey Wallet, users can manage their digital assets in one place. You can receive crypto, send transactions, swap tokens, and stay in control of your assets through the app. This is UKey Academy, crypto made simple. In the next lesson, we'll explain what a seed phrase and private key are and why they are so important for wallet security. UKey Academy, unlock your potential.